Hi guys, welcome to channel Bonfix and Baby. Today we will introduce another portable microscope. We have introduced all kinds of microscope like the trinocular microscope, digital microscope, and its equipment. We have introduced the binocular microscope and others. Today we will introduce the portable microscope. It's very easy to use and not complex like the others. Now we have installed the microscope. I will show you how to download the software, and we will use the phone to observe the circuit board. Press for 3 minutes to turn off the microscope. It has battery inside, so we didn't only supply power and use it with the iPhone. Connect your Wi-Fi. Choose the model. It has collected. Now open your software, the microscope. You can take photos for the circuit board. You can check your photos through here. You can also record in the videos. Check it. You can take the photos. The photos is the JPG and the videos format is MP4. You can charge it for others' device. In this video, we have shown you how to use the portable microscope, and we have connected it to iPhone to show you how to use its Wi-Fi function. Besides, you can also use your other phones like Huawei, Xiaomi, or other tablet, or smart TV, and so on. Besides, it has a battery inside. You can use it for 5 hours. If you have any other lead, you can connect it to USB cables for charging, so it's very practical tools.